Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park, and if you are a frequent user of Instagram, you will know that how important is hashtags for your reach. In this video, I'll be showing you an app which will help you boost your reach by up to 20 to 30%. Let's get started. The app we are talking about here is called Hashtagify. This is a quite simple app, no complications in the app. Just slide up, select the picture you want, it will analyze the pictures and suggest you some hashtags. Usually the hashtags will be on point and the accuracy level is really high. Just select the picture, it will show you hashtags for the particular picture. You can copy the hashtags right from the app and paste it in your Instagram app. You can also select the max hashtags number, which will let you control the number of hashtags that is being displayed. Usually I keep the hashtags to less than 10 or 15 so that I get some room for my personal hashtags and the hashtag which I use on a regular basis. The third tab in the app is categories. In this tab you will find the top hashtags as well as hashtags divided into categories. You can select categories like photography, art, HDR, abstract, fashion, motivation, running, dance, etc. So that's about this app. It's quite simple and quite useful. No need to think of more creative hashtags. This app will do the work for you. If you want to download the app, you will find the link in the show description. Do check it out. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down your views and thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.